talk about capping off the year with a financial bang. Stock market records and tax reform paving the way for record holiday spending. The National Retail Federation now estimating almost $680 billion in holiday sales.
So as we close the book on 2017, what financial breakthroughs should we be looking out for in 2018?
Joining us now to break it all down is managing partner of Benchmark, Kevin Kelly. Kevin, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me,
Our
guys.
friend Kelly, we love having you on the show.
Yeah, I wish I could wear my ugly Christmas sweater still.
It's not too late.
Another couple
You can wear it every day of the year. Don't
Perfect.
let anyone judge you.
All right. Awesome.
No, before we get to the Wall Street stuff, I want to talk about Bitcoin, not just because
Really? You want to talk about Bitcoin,
I'm
Pete?
personally invested and evangelical about what it can do to the financial industries and, frankly, to currency. But where is it going? A lot of mystery around Bitcoin.
Yeah, there's a lot of mystery, and what you're going to see is actually 2017 was a setup year for 2018 when it goes mainstream. So we saw actually the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the world's largest futures market, actually listed futures within the past few weeks. Same with the CBOE, which is the Chicago Board Options Exchange. And so that allows financial instruments to be traded on it, but only really professional traders can utilize that.
Okay.
Now, starting next year, you'll start to see ETFs come out on it, and anybody can really buy it because ETFs are exchange-traded funds. They trade on the exchanges. You can buy it like a stock. So there's over 12 filings. So we'll see people have easier access to the Bitcoin market through that. But regardless, everybody's going to end up using the technology because the technology behind it is already being deployed by companies. So not only
the
blockchain technology, correct. So you're seeing it being deployed all over the place because it's a decentralized system that's safer and more secure.
Quickly, could it be used as currency more?
Yeah, I think it will start to be used as currency more, but more overseas in the unbankable markets in the developing countries. So that's why you're seeing the price go up because there's a lot of demand for currencies that are used, especially in some bad areas.
But if they do use it as a currency, how do you know that you go to buy a pizza with Bitcoin, that pizza a year from now isn't worth, because of these wild swings in the cost, $1 million?
Yeah, that's true. Well, so I think you're bringing up a great point about hyperinflation, and Bitcoin is being used in countries that are having hyperinflation because it helps stabilize, and they know they can transact, and they don't have to worry about governments coming in to use them and control them.
So did he make a good investment?
He made a great investment.
Go, take it. Thank you, sir. You're welcome back. Anytime.
All right, well, we're seeing a lot of global growth in the economy and economies in developing countries growing in tandem with the rest of the world. What are the opportunities now for financial services because of that?
Yeah, it's pretty unprecedented what we're seeing happen. We've never experienced this before where you've had the world's largest 100 largest economies in the world grow in tandem, and you're seeing a rising global middle class because of it. Think about over in China. They're actually going to have more people in the middle class than we do as a population here in the United States, and that's by 2020. And so you're starting to see the mobile payment industry really grow off of that. If Alibaba has a mobile e-commerce platform called Alipay, its money market fund already has $250 billion in it, and that is bigger than any other money market fund in the world, and it's growing. I mean, so it's growing into a consumer class.
What's Alibaba's equivalent in the United States again?
It would be Amazon, I would say.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, but no, you're right. If you've got a phone and you're in a developed country and you can pay with it, that industry is going to.
They don't have credit cards, so you're seeing the emerging economies and the growing economies. They don't have credit cards. They use their mobile platforms, and so you're seeing with the global growth, the mobile platforms are the way they transact, and guess what? That middle class is going to disrupt the entire world in how they transact. Even here in the United States, we'll start to see it next year.
The third thing for 2018, financial breakthrough, you say, is the rebound of retail shoppers.
I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it even in my little town that, sales are going up in all these little stores.
Yeah, and so we had a really hard 2017 when it came to the retail store, but you're starting to see it swing back the other way because that's the higher margin products. And guess what we got here? We got a middle class tax cut. And so you're going to see that start to play out into the economy. And you actually have to look what's happening behind the e-tailers. What did Amazon do? They actually built a brick and mortar store. They have one right over here in Columbus Circle. Guess what they did? They partnered with Kohl's. You can actually go and do in-store returns in Kohl's. So you're seeing they actually want access to that brick and mortar. And now we're getting a lot of more entertainment happening around the malls. So the malls have actually downsized themselves with store closures, and they're turning it into more of an entertainment destination and venue. So you can go there and not only shop, but also you can entertain your whole family.
So, Kevin, let me summarize. We're going to go shop. We're going to buy retail with mobile platforms with the new middle class via Bitcoin. That's basically 2018.
Yeah, let's hope so. And I think one of the things that's really telling is that the merging of the e-commerce and the retail. So what I can do now is I'll go buy something online, but I'll go into the store to pick it up, try it on, do something. And you're starting to see the emergence of that. And JW...
I did that this Christmas. I bought stuff at Walmart, and I picked it up in the store.
And Nordstrom's has completely, you can see it play out through, that's how they've been able to do very well this year.
Thanks,
Great
Kevin.
stuff, Kevin.
Great stuff. Great predictions. I'll see you back on Fox Business.
Yes.
You got it.